Have you ever stopped to think what happens if you just save $10 a day? $10 sounds so small that most people never even notice when they spend it. It's a coffee from Starbucks, a fast food meal, a random item you probably won't remember tomorrow. But here's a question that can change your life. What if you took that same $10 and saved it every single day for the next few years? Let's start simple. $10 a day means $70 a week. That's about $300 every month. And in 1 year, you'll have around $3,650. Now pause for a moment. That's enough to buy a brand new laptop, take a short vacation, or start a small online business. And you did it without earning extra money. You just decided to keep a little every day. But the real power begins when you don't just save, you invest. If you invest that $300 a month with an 8% annual return, which is a realistic average from index funds or mutual funds, in 10 years, you'll have more than $55,000. Keep going for 20 years, and it turns into $150,000. And if you stay consistent for 30 years, you'll have around $340,000, all from saving just $10 a day. That's not luck. That's the magic of compound interest. Money that earns more money while you sleep. Albert Einstein once called it the eighth wonder of the world, and he was right. It rewards people who start early and stay patient. Now think about how most people handle money. They get paid, spend almost everything, and then wonder why they can't save. But the truth is, saving isn't about how much you earn. It's about your habits. Someone earning $1,000 a month, but saving $100 is doing better than someone earning $5,000 but saving nothing. Let me give you a quick example. Imagine two friends, Adam and John. Adam starts saving $10 a day at age 25. John decides to wait. He says he'll start when he's earning more. By 35, Adam already has over $55,000 working for him. When John finally starts saving, he can't catch up, even if he saves double, because Adam's money has already started growing on itself. That's the advantage of time. The earlier you start, the easier it gets. Saving $10 daily also builds something much more powerful than money. It builds discipline. It teaches you patience, planning, and control. You begin to see money as a tool, not something that controls you. And the moment you develop that mindset, you've already won half the financial game. You might be thinking, it's just $10, will it really matter? Yes, it will. Because every big success begins with small steps. A bodybuilder starts with one push-up, a writer starts with one page, and a millionaire starts with one small saving habit. So next time you grab that coffee or fast food meal, ask yourself, is it worth trading your future for 5 minutes of pleasure? What if you invested that $10 instead? In a year, you'd thank yourself. In 10 years, you'd change your life. Remember, wealth isn't built overnight. It's built quietly, day by day, decision by decision. And it all starts with something as small as $10. Start today. Open a savings or investment account, automate $10 daily, and forget about it. Let your money work while you focus on becoming better every day. Because at the end of the day, it's not about how much you save. It's about the habit of saving. That habit will buy you peace of mind, financial freedom, and the ability to live life on your own terms. So, what happens if you save $10 every day? You don't just build wealth. You build a future that's completely in your control.